Eat. I eat breakfast every morning. Drink. He drinks water throughout the day. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Read. She reads a book before bed. Write. She writes in her journal every day. Cook. I cook dinner for my family. Walk. He walks to school every morning. Run. He runs in the park on weekends. Talk. I talk with my boss every day. Listen. I listen to music while working. Watch. She watches TV in the evening. Play. The kids play in the backyard. Learn. He learns new words every day. Teach. She teaches math at school. Clean. I clean my room every Saturday. Drive. He drives to work every morning. Take. She takes a shower every day. Give. He gives gifts on birthdays. Help. She helps her mom with cooking. Buy. I buy groceries on Sundays.